Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today we're making a Hanukkah treat. We're making Rugelach. It's a really simple thing to make. It's easy, it's fun to make with the kids if you want, but it's a really yummy treat for the Hanukkah celebration. And I'm a little later with this. I wanted to have this ready to go for the start of Hanukkah, but we're halfway through and it's still good. So let's get to it. The dough part is flour, butter, cream cheese, Philly of course, and salt. And then the inside is going to be chopped pecans, sugar, cinnamon, and butter. So I've taken my cream cheese and my butter and I've combined them here, and we're going to combine and beat this until it's smooth. Okay, that's whipped up. Now we're going to combine our flour and the salt good. Because then we're going to be adding that to our butter and cream cheese mixture. Make our dough. And she's done. At least the dough part's done. There we go. You can see. So we'll get that put together. So I'm going to divide my dough into fourths, and we're going to wrap each piece in saran and put it in the fridge to chill for an hour. And there we go. Now, I've taken this, each ball, you can work it. You can see you can work it here, but it's not too stiff. I put it between two pieces of parchment paper, or you could use wax paper, and I've rolled it out to be between 10 and 12 inch circle. I'm going to take that off now, and I'm going to spread the butter on. We are going to quick mix our sugar and cinnamon, melted butter, and brush this across the top. It says about a tablespoon. I'm just going to brush it on like this. It's all covered. And then we're going to take about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3, so it has a good coating. Okay, and our nuts. Then I'm going to take a rotary cutter or a pizza cutter, and I'm going to cut this up. And the next set will be ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So here they are. And these are just so yummy. You know, what's not to like? It's a quick bread dough with cinnamon and butter and pecans. What's not to like? Mmm. So buttery. Soft. Yummy. I eat these all day long. Seriously, I have to quit eating them. That was like my third one. They're very addictive, especially with a nice tall glass of milk. Anyhow, that's my Hanukkah treat. Rugelach. It's not hard to make. It's fun to make with the kids. It's really, really yummy. It's a great treat. And, you know, it's something to share with the family here during the Festival of Lights. Celebration of the miracle of the oil that lasted when it shouldn't have. Reminiscent of God's miracles. God always works in mysterious ways. So, happy Hanukkah. Enjoy the celebration and the Festival of Lights. Enjoy some Rugelach. It's delicious. There's lots of other goodies, you know, around this time of year, but this is one of my favorites. And of course, can't forget gelt. Who doesn't love gelt? I love gelt. Chocolate coins. Gotta have gelt. So, anyhow, happy Hanukkah. Happy holidays.